Hey, Kevin Brkal here. So I help entrepreneurs get results with Facebook ads, and I want to talk to you about iOS 14.5, which is the big privacy update where Facebook's going to be limited with the amount of data. So if you're running ads to like a Shopify and you have the integration set up where it asks you to log in to your Facebook account and all that, you're fine. But as I know, a lot of other people actually use something called ClickFunnels. So if you're running ads to ClickFunnels, you need to 100% get the conversions API set up. So if you kind of go and get it set up with like a service like Zapier, you're going to notice that the dollar figures that get sent in from a purchase in your funnel is in cents. So that will totally throw off what you see in Facebook ads. So your numbers will be just completely off. So there's a little way where you can actually use a process in Zapier to fix that. And I'm going to actually walk you through exactly how to set up your ClickFunnels and the Facebook conversion API. So let me show you real quick by sharing my screen. All right, so obviously this is Zapier. So if you aren't familiar with it, it's zapier.com. And essentially it just connects tons of stuff together and makes it just super duper easy. So what you need to obviously do is, connect your ClickFunnels account and then the new one called Facebook conversions. So it's just talking directly to Facebook with all your conversion data. So if you obviously get this set up, you'll notice right here, which I'm talking about, ClickFunnels is sending this as this. So if you were to actually have this number inputted into the conversions API, this would get sent as 17,700. So your numbers will be completely off. So what you need to do is do something which is called this one right here, which is called Formatter by Zapier. And you want to select this action, which is numbers. And then the next, what you want to do is perform a math operation and then divide. And then what you're going to be doing is you're going to actually be pulling in from here that cents, which is this one. And then essentially what you're doing is you're going to be dividing it by 100. And then what ends up happening is that it outputs it as this, which would be the correct amount because this is a $177 product. And then when you're setting up the conversion API, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be obviously setting it up as a website and then a purchase event in there. So obviously you got the event time that's going to be pulling in, from here. The other one that you need to get is obviously their email, their first, last name, their IP address, and then obviously you're going to come down here and you're actually pulling in from this numbers, which is that output right there, US dollars. And then one thing that obviously before you set up it's like the event, which is obviously it's a purchase. So obviously if you set it up, it's going to make your life a lot easier because then Facebook's going to be able to obviously look at it. And then after a day or two, the more info you send, they'll be able to actually remove the duplicates. And Facebook with this is actually going to get more data. So it's actually going to get smarter as time goes on. So this is obviously a way to get around those iOS privacy updates. So if you aren't doing it, 100% set it up. If this was helpful, please share it with somebody you know. And if you'd like to speak with me or somebody on my team about Facebook ads, all you got to do is go to brkal.com/call. Thanks.